Hello everyone, my name is CMA. Welcome back to CMA modules. Today we will be recording a video lecture on journal entries. Part of journal entries of bills of exchange we have recorded in our previous lecture. Journal entries were too many, so what I did, I divided into two parts, part A and part B. I have completed one video lecture wherein we have recorded few journal entries. Now I'll be taking one more video lecture on journal entry wherein we will be recording few more journal entries. So now we have started dishonor part in our previous lecture. So what is dishonor? Dishonor of dishonor of bill. So when bill is discounted with the bank, when bill is retained by the shopkeeper, that is drawer, and bill is getting dishonored. So what will be the journal entry that we did? So journal entry will be drawee account to bills receivable to cash or bank. Okay, in that case, journal entry will be to drawee account. We are supposed to receive money from the drawee. Then what will be the next? I have paid noting charges for it. So that noting charges also I'll have to cover it from them. Okay, from the drawee. So that part will come here. I'll have to, that is my expense, and that I'm supposed to collect it from my drawee. So that's why I'm crediting that. Then I have noting charges. In case of in the books of drawee, I have noting charges. Noting charges are nothing but those noting charges are expenses for drawee. So noting charges will be debited in the books of drawee. Bills payable, I'm supposed to pay. I have not paid yet, and drawer account. Okay, here it will be drawer account. Now let me go for next. Next journal entry is bill is dishonored when bill is discounted with bank. Okay, bill is discounted with bank. Bill is discounted with bank and bill is dishonored. Okay, bill is discounted with bank and bill is dishonored. So when bill is discounted with bank and bill is dishonored, then in that case, what will be the journal entry? You are supposed to again collect it from drawee. Okay, you are supposed to, so you'll have to credit drawee. Drawee account will be debited. Okay, drawee account will be debited. Then what is next? You are supposed to make payment to bank. Okay, you are supposed to make payment to bank because bank had paid you, so you will have to make payment to bank. Okay, here you will have a noting charges also. So to cash or bank, you will pay noting charges. Now here again same dishonor entry, bills payable, noting and drawer. Your dishonor entry will be same in case of drawee. Now bill discounted, and in that case it is dishonored. Now the bill is dishonored when it is sent to bank for collection. Bill is dishonored when it is sent to bank for collection. So in this case, you have drawee account debit, two bills sent to bank for collection. Okay, earlier I had made opposite entry of what I made earlier. Okay, to cash or bank, I'll have to pay to the bank, no, noting charges. Okay, which I'll collect it from my drawee. So cash or bank. Here again same entry. Whatever difficulty you have, that difficulty part is with drawer only. Drawee, mostly the entries are repeated or there is no entry. Now if bill is discounted, bill is dishonored when it was endorsed. Okay, bill is endorsed and it is dishonored. Bill is endorsed and it is dishonored. In that case, it will be drawee account debit to creditor account. Drawee account debit to creditor account. So here we will have to pay bill value, whatever it is, plus we will have to pay noting charges. Okay, so bill is endorsed and it is dishonored. Here again it will be same entry. Now come down for next case. If bill is, so now what is happening here is we have recorded our bills, maybe discounted with bank, bank sent bill sent to bank for collection, endorsed. So in all the four cases we recorded our bills. We went for honored entry, we went for dishonored entry. Now what is happening is I'm shopkeeper and Mr. A is my customer. A is coming and Mr. A is telling me that okay, I'm not able to today. I was supposed to pay. Today is the due date. I'm not supposed to pay today. But you can do one thing. You please give me one more bill. I'll pay you after you, and that bill you give me 15 more days. I'll pay you after 15 days. Okay, so already I had drawn a bill of 30 days, which was supposed to be matured today. He is not able to pay today. He's approaching me, he's coming to my shop and he's telling me that you please, I'll not be able to pay today, but you make one more bill and in that bill you give me more 15 days. Okay, so we have one more concept. If bill is renewed, okay, if bill is renewed, renewal of bill on due date. Okay, if bill is renewed on due date, then here it will be drawee account debit to bills receivable. Here it will be bills payable to drawer. Bills payable account to drawer account. Then we have next 17. If bill is renewed on due date for interest charge for delayed payment. Bill is renewed. Okay, you are renewing bill. There is renewal of bill. But I will not renew like that. I see I'm investing, I'm blocking my amount. So you'll have to pay interest. So interest on renewal of bill. Okay, so interest is debit, interest is an expense. Okay, interest is an expense for drawee. So interest account debit to drawer account, and interest is an income. Interest is an income for, so for drawer it will be income and for drawee it will be an expense. Then we have if bill is renewed on due date for part payment. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'll visit to the shopkeeper and I'll tell that see, I'm supposed to pay 1000 rupees. I can pay 700 right now, part payment. For balance 300, you give me one bill. You draw one bill and give it to me. Okay. So what is happening here is, if bill is renewed on due date for part payment is made. So what you will do is normal entry, cash and bank account debit. So here you are going for part payment. Okay, here you are going for part payment. So I'm paying only 700. So 700 to drawee. Okay, and for part payment for balance 300, you will draw this entry. You will go for this entry. You are drawing bill. Okay, here also to cash or bank. Okay, to cash or bank. To whom you are paying? You are paying to drawer. Okay, 700, 700. Okay. Now let us go for next. Next is if bill is renewed on due date and for a new bill drawn is accepted. ठीक है. So you are drawing a new bill. So again new bill you are accepting. ठीक है. Same entry which we had done above first one. So we are done with second part of journal entry. Now I'll be recording one more video lecture. So in our next video lecture, we will be going for sums. We'll take sums in our next video lecture. I hope you are comfortable with this video lecture. Thank you.